The Law Association of Trinidad and Tobago defends judges. The Law Association of Trinidad and Tobago, LAT, has appealed for restraint and respect in public commentary surrounding the Court of Appeal's recent decision in the Hadid matter, warning that personal attacks on judges risk undermining confidence in the administration of justice. In a media release yesterday, the association said it was concerned by recent comments, particularly on social media, which included personal attacks on members of the Court of Appeal following last Friday's ruling involving businessman Dominic Hadid and his wife Genevieve. While acknowledging that judicial decisions are open to public scrutiny and criticism, LAT stressed that such criticism should remain respectful and should not descend into unfounded allegations questioning the integrity or independence of the judiciary. The association noted that the Court of Appeal's ruling was delivered in the context of an interlocutory application and did not finally determine the legality of the Hadid's detention or the constitutionality of the emergency powers under which they were held. Such proceedings do not necessarily determine the ultimate legality of the detention or the constitutionality of the emergency powers regime. Those substantive questions remain capable of judicial determination, the LAT stated. The association said the ongoing litigation demonstrates that constitutional safeguards continue to operate during the current state of emergency, so, with the courts remaining responsible for determining whether emergency measures are lawful, proportionate, and reasonably justifiable. LAT also emphasized that disappointment with court decisions is a normal feature of any democratic society, but said criticism should be informed and respectful. It added that while members of the public are entitled to question and analyze judicial decisions, attacks on the integrity of judges or commentary made without regard to the evidence and legal principles applied by the court could erode public confidence in the justice system. Comment responsibly. LAT also noted that the appeal court has not yet issued its written reasons for Friday's decision. It said those reasons would explain the legal principles applied and help practitioners, litigants, and the wider public understand the basis for the ruling. The association expressed full confidence in the independence and impartiality of the judiciary and urged attorneys to advise their clients to exercise their right to comment responsibly without making statements that undermine confidence in the administration of justice. Last Thursday, a three-judge panel had ordered the immediate release of the Hadids and directed that they instead be placed under house arrest. However, that same night, another panel comprising Chief Justice Rani Budusing and Justices Mark Mohammed and Ricky Rahim granted an interim stay of the order, resulting in the Hadids remaining in prison custody. Last Friday night, the panel extended the stay pending the hearing and determination of the state's appeal against the initial judgment at the London-based Privy Council. That appeal is expected to be heard and determined by the end of this month.